Yep.
Alright, it's raining pretty nicely outside. I love days like this, so I'm going to use it to work on that. Anyway, this is done. I have, well, it's not done. I've primed it. That's a good 2 coats of it. I was more careful about fluid flow and all kinds of other stuff, so I don't have a whole lot of drips. What this is, though, you can tell that there's a lot of damage, a lot of fucked up metal that I'm going to be pounding out. It's likely that I will strip all the stuff off the top here and down here where that, actually you can kind of see it right there, where that square piece is, and repaint. I'm more interested in getting this stuff covered up with primer than I am anything else, because there you go. That's 1 day's worth. So you can see how well I got the damn metal stripped down. This is not a big deal. 5 minutes with the sander and it's all done, and 10 minutes with primer and it's even more done. So primer is a really good sealer. Yeah. At some point, I'll probably turn it over and get a whole bunch of primer up in there, so that it pours through and coats everything regardless. And again, I got a lot of work to do. I have a lot of work to do. I decided to try my hand at keeping this thing, mainly because the cost of a Fender, the cost of a fiberglass Fender, isn't much. It's not bad. It's the shipping that's an absolute bitch, more than twice. So, there we go.